We'll show you how to make your own garden sculpture with mold making.
Today's project is going to be quite a hoot. But first, let's talk about the products that we use today. Bubble Buster, Posi-Stone, a hard cement mixture that works great with composite mold. Posi-Mold. This is the composite mold original. We used a 40-ounce container, but as you can see, I didn't use all of it. Vegetable oil mold release, a container that has the mold box.
Composi-Mold works by melting, so melt it in the microwave for 1 or 2 minutes and then pour it over your object and you will have your mold. You can also chill the Composi-Mold to make it cool faster and solidify faster. After it is solidified, you can remove it from the mold box. Here I'm just going to cut off the external part of it and admire my mold. To make it easier to remove from the mold, I'm going to cut down the sides of the mold with some scissors so there is a parting line at the back of the owl. Composi-Mold can be remelted and reused as many times as you like, so you can make lots of different shapes with the same mold making material. If at any time you don't like the mold, you can just remelt it and redo it. We are making our casting out of Composi-Stone, which is a hard plaster that can handle the outdoor environment for several years. After we are finished making this garden sculpture, we can reuse this mold to make more of the same shapes, or we can remelt it to make new shapes anytime we want.
Thank you so much for watching us make this owl mold. Visit us at composimold.com, share with your friends, and let us know what you would like us to mold. Success time it goes out.
Success.